everyone, welcome to Saucy Cat. My name's Zoe, and this is the very first episode of Saucy Cat in our brand new kitchen. Now things are always hectic when you move, but we still really wanted to give you guys a new recipe. So I'm gonna make a childhood favorite of mine, jelly-filled muffins. Let's get into it. Start off with a mixing bowl and add in all-purpose flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk until thoroughly combined. Next goes some almond milk, apple cider vinegar, and some vegetable oil. Continue to mix until you have a smooth batter. Now in my experience, paper muffin cups refuse to not stick to these bad boys, so instead I'm going to put a bunch of non-stick spray directly into our muffin pan. Spoon in about 1 to 2 tablespoons of batter into each muffin tin hole thing. Next, put a tablespoon of jelly or jam in the middle of each. Any jam or jelly works, including this homemade jam we made in a previous episode. Now spoon the remaining batter over the jelly so that the jelly is completely covered. Plop the muffin pan into a 425-degree oven and bake for about 25 minutes. The jelly does like to leak out a bit, so save yourself the cleanup and put another pan or tin foil under the muffin pan. With these all golden, I think it's time to plate this dish. Just like Mom used to make. Now the batter we used is actually very similar to our vegan pancake batter, and so it has this really fluffy, sweet taste and texture to it, and it's amazing. And then the jelly just adds a nice fruity zing to it. Well, that does it for today. I'm so excited to show you guys even more recipes from our brand new kitchen. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time on Saucy Cat.
Come on. Okay.
Needs measuring.